Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation, bringing you another quote to help kickstart your day. And here are those words of wisdom. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. No matter how organised, dedicated or committed to this plan, project, dream or vision, you will 100% never be completely ready to ever launch it. Many have tried and many have never been able to do it. Everything you need to launch is in your head. It's your plans, your ideas and your desire to even start. So just start today. Use what you have, do what you can, make mistakes, have successes, but any of this is only possible if you first try.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.